Guys, back outside with Project Z Not 6. What I want to do is upgrade the headlights here. One of them has old LED, but I want to change it to new LEDs, and then high beams don't have LEDs at all. So I got these knob sights, auto lighting, pretty cool. Bulbs here, they're size 9005, 9006. Alright, what I like about them is they have an angle, a right angle to it, so it mimics the OEM. It's got little fans for heat. It's got these little angles, curvatures, so that way it tries to put the same beam as a halogen. I'll put a link in the description where I get these. So I'm gonna pop them in here. What we gotta do is we gotta pop the headlights open, or pop the headlights open, pop them up and pop them open. So looks like there's 3 screws, so I could reach the bulbs. 1, 2, where's number 3? Oh, 3 is right here. It's hard to see. 3 is on the other side, right there. 3. Then I can take the shot out, and hopefully it gives me enough room to do the work. Yeah, so to get to this headlight area, to get room, you have 3 screws. Pretty easy. There's 1 here, 2 on the other side. Right there. Okay, and there's a little trick to get this out, because it doesn't really fit in this lip. See right here, so it's supposed to slide under. It wasn't slid under, but there's this gap here that kind of makes it hard to get in the way, out of the way. So you just tilt it, because you see how thick this gap is. It's too thick for it to just go right in there, at least on the other side. Okay, might be a little tight, but if you tilt it in first, then you got that room. Now, it's important to realize the way the bulbs are. It's hard to see on that side. I could try to get the phone, but they go like this. Back here, the highs and lows are about this orientation, so you're gonna pop it, I think it's this way, counterclockwise. I'll try it right now, but you want to go in one direction, pop it out, and then pop it in and go the other direction, and then get the harness out. So let me see if I can get to it. High beams are right here. There's actually this one actually had HID. I think this is to adjust the height. That's cool. I need to do it. Yeah, you can see if I can get it. Alright, so you see the positioning of the bulb right here? Right there's the bulb, so it's kind of downward but at an angle. So basically you want to pop that out and then pop this out, and then you'll see. So let me go on the other side. It's just easier. Upward, counterclockwise. So it goes about perpendicular and then comes right out. Well, that thing's in the way, but there you go. Comes right out. And basically, you pop these 2 things out and pull it. So let me get my hands free and just push it out to the waterproof housing. That's how you get it out, and then you just reverse. The same thing with low beams. Okay. You guys want to see HIDs? The magic. Fucking HIDs, dude. When was the last time you saw HIDs? Finagling to get an angle, but finally got it. So now I gotta test it, make sure it's working real quick, and then I'll adjust it tonight. So the lows are on. Here's the lows. Flip the highs and then work on it later. Now the highs are on, the middle beams. Alright. So we'll test it out tonight. Alright guys, I'm gonna check out the headlights and see how they go. Let's see. That's it right there. Let's get the high beams going. And here's the high beams. No highs. So I think it's pointing alright. Yeah. They're not blinding my eyes. Car is low too, by the way, so I think that's why. But there you go. Cheap update. Cheap upgrade, I should say. Thanks for watching. Peace out.